Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about the thing that I have learned in this week. This was actually a technical task for me in this week. For this week, I have to learn about the concept of the basics of SQL databases, and I have chosen the Postgresql for learning the basics of SQL. And which is actually this is the first time that I have learning a MySQL the SQL database, and there got a confusion between which one should I choose, MySQL or PostgreSQL. And after that I got a clarity that both are almost same, and they only have few difference between some of the keywords that we have used in this. So that I understand that if we have learned any of the SQL databases, we can simply learn another one. Till now, before learning this, I only have know about, or I only have an idea about the MongoDB, which is completely different than an SQL database, which is an NoSQL databases, and there have a few difference. Both are DBMS, and they have few difference, not few difference, those are little bit huge difference in between the SQL and the NoSQL. And the MongoDB, the structure of data that we have stored in these two types of databases are completely different. That was very a little bit something for me to understand how this are happening in between these two. Sometimes I got stuck or confused with some topics or some queries. And Compared to MongoDB, I felt that the PostgreSQL is a little bit easy compared to MongoDB queries. I don't know. It's only for me, I guess, because there have so many curly brackets we have used in the MongoDB queries, and it makes so many confusion while typing the query. And by taking the case of the PostgreSQL, there we don't have that kind of things. There we only have so many. There have few keywords, even though those are English similar words and English words, and we can easily by heart that, and we can remember that for a while. So those things are those things makes the learning of very easy for learning the PostgreSQL. And this week I have learned about the basics of PostgreSQL, like the basic SQL operations like the DML, DQL, TCL, that kind of query languages. And DML stands for data manipulation language, and kind of data definition language, and TCL transaction control language. That kind of categories of the query. It means that there we have so many operators and query selectors that we have in the PostgreSQL. So there we have a classification in between that. That is called the types of, or the categories of queries. Okay. The DML is basically contains the data manipulation language. As the name says, it is the keywords that are categorized in this category. It's basically used for manipulating or seeing the data in the database, like we said, insert. There we have some kind of operators like, or keywords like insert, or update or alter. That kind of keywords are come under this category. And so by so just like this, there we have so many kind of categories in this. And after that, there we have called constraints, which are actually enforcing some rule for our columns, which means that we can define that while we are making a table or creating a table, we can define that this column should contain some values, or this column should be unique, or this column contains the primary key or foreign key. Like that, we can enforce that rules for this particular column, and to make sure that the data should be validated successfully, or data is correctly stored in this database, and no one is missing or something. like that. So those are the basic things about, and also that we have only um, concept or the intermediate concept like joining, and then we have some different types of joins like inner join, outer join, full outer join, left join, right join, cross join, like that. And also we have so many things like the subqueries, and also like the theoretical concepts like the acid property, normalization is actually we have implementing practically also. And even though there we have so many rules to study in these kind of topics. Okay, so that I already have told you that the constraints, and also they have what indexing, aggregation functions, and SQL. In the in here we have SQL queries, and some clauses like where clause, group by clause, or by, and there we have so many type of clauses we have to learn in this, and I have completed successfully and completely learned all these topics, and I have covered all these things. And so that's all I have to talk about the things that I have learned by this week, and that's all. Thank you.